Hi everyone, welcome back to the garage. Been a long 3 months having all the repairs done to the drains and stuff, but it's all sorted now. Bit strange working from home for all that time, especially in the cold weather when it was icy and raining and getting dark early and all that sort of stuff, but we managed to get through it. We got some cars done and moved them on. As you can see, the Largo's in the background from me. Well, that's done now as well, so I'm about to get it all cleaned up and stuff, and you'll see that coming in a video very soon. All cleaned up, photoed up, MOT'd and ready to go. But today's video is all about Toyota Celica 2-litre GT ST202 that I done up last year. It's got the full body kit on it, nice set of alloys, spoilers. We blacked the roof, engine mods have been done, it's had cams, it's been chipped, well, roll and roaded to be fair, and that's a very quick car to be fair. It's got a lot of acceleration, a lot of top end speed, all the way through the range. It's a really good car, so I thought I'd do a video about it, because I just found some photos of it that I put away. I have done a previous video on it, but there was only a couple of photos and you can't really see the car, whereas with these ones you can see all the way around and everything about the car. So it's only going to be a photo shoot because that's all I can do, because obviously I haven't got the car here now, but I thought it would be worth putting the video up just to keep the pictures. Okay, enjoy. So as you can see, we've got the full Veilside body kit, rear spoiler, nice set of alloys. I can't think of the name of them anymore, but they were a good make, and the centre caps were put on before it went. As you can see, the roof's black, the body colour is a blue to green flip paint. It's also got a nice number plate, L2-litre Celica, 2.5-inch stainless steel exhaust system all the way through. I'm trying to think of a mod. It's chipped on the rolling road, all set up properly. Goes like a rocket to be fair. It's a really good car. Got quite a decent price for it, so not complaining, but do miss the car. It'd be nice to be cruising around in it. But you have to build them and off they go. I put all new tyres on it, went through all the brakes and stuff like that, checked out everything, got it all ready for an MOT, took it down and it went through. And the MOT chap even said it's probably the best one of these he's ever seen, because he's had it for himself and he knew him inside out. So that was good. Really nice car. These earlier ones now are getting quite rare, so I'm hoping they're still on the road somewhere. They hadn't been blown up or anything like that, because the underneath was like brand new, they hadn't rotted out like they normally do. All the arches were good, bottom of the doors were all there. Not gone around the sunroof or nothing like that. It was actually just a really good tidy car and been well looked after. So hopefully it's still going somewhere. If you've got this car, let me know and tell me how it's getting on. I wish I had this car when I was doing videos, and I could have put you in the screen and took you for a blast and show you what it was really like, give you the sound of it and stuff like that. It's a real shame, but there we go. that's this car. So there you have it. As I said in the video, I wish I had the car so I could take you for a blast with the phone and the screen filming it, but that one's long gone, so I thought it was worth putting the video up and just showing what it was like, showing you something that I built about a year ago. Right, that's going to be the end of this video, so please like, subscribe, share and all that sort of stuff, and help me to continue to build up this channel.